Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. I hope you are fine now friends. In this video we are talking about the Safemoon coin. And this video going to be very special and urgent videos for all Safemoon holders, because as you know the previous last one day only and only falls occur in the Safemoon coin. So a lot of people do a mistake at this time friends. A lot of people when they see this kind of change occur in any cryptocurrencies falling change, so a lot of people decide to sell it, but it's not a solution friends. In this video I will give you a tip that what is the best decision for you as it is best time to buy, sell or hold Safemoon coin friends. So let's start the video. But if you don't subscribe my channel, so kindly subscribe now. ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Subscribe is very important for you, so please don't forget to subscribe friends. Now friends, if you look the price at this time of the Safemoon coin, so as you can see the current price of the Safemoon coin is about 0.000005 USD dollar is the price of the Safemoon coin. And same like it, if you look the change occur in the Safemoon coin, so the last 1 hour change has become negative, last 1 day change is in negative, last 1 week change absolutely positive friends. So now let's see the price prediction chart for more details, and I will try to understand you friends. As you can see here at this period, the falling period of the Safemoon coin, so a lot of people at this period do a mistake friends. When they see this kind of change, so they sell it at this time friends. So absolutely if you need a money, so it's the best decision for you to sell it. But if you want to make a good amount of profit, where you want to make a high amount of profit, so please you have to wait, you have to long-term investment friends in the Safemoon coin friends, because the Safemoon project is very long-term project. As you can see now, only this time the price of the Safemoon coin is about 0.0005 USD dollar is the price of this type. So you have to wait for a Safemoon coin become a 1 USD dollar, something like that. After 3 years, 2 years, they become a 2 USD dollar. Same, you have to wait to and make a good amount of profit in the future friends. But now at this time, this video is only for one purpose, that you don't sell it at this time friends. If you want to make a good profit, so please wait it. Now if you look the last 1 day change okay in the Safemoon coin, so absolutely it's false, but it's not mean that you sell it friends. Negative 8.92% change okay in the Safemoon coin, and the price is about 0.0006 USD dollar is the highest price in the last 1 day friends. And as you can see here now, the current price is about 5 and the highest price is 6. So now they fast down for a 1% friends. So that's not mean that you sell it, wait for it. A big jump, a big pump of the Safemoon coin are coming soon in the future. So what's your opinion about Safemoon coin? My opinion is that please hold at this time friends. Please share your opinion in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.